All right, so I recently bought a funded account, and I'm honestly going to start documenting my trades and explaining how it goes. So right now I'm in the trade, and I can't lie, it's looking nice. It's looking nice, bro. The TP is about to be mad. This trade is looking hard. So let me try so I can show the screen. So yeah, it's funny peeps account. I just bought it last night, and this is my first trade, and I'm already up by $124. So this trade originally reached $170, but I'm not looking to close it anywhere, no near TP. I want to leave it TP because I've always had that habit of like not allowing my trades to hit TP. Like there's no way I'm risking this much and not letting it hit TP. So me personally, whenever I'm doing funded accounts, I don't like follow the rules and stuff of risking 1%. My first trade, I risk 100. Like I risk about my first trade I risk 2%. Yeah, my first trade I risk 2%. That's how I be trading. Then if that 2% trade fails, then I go about to 1%, 1%, 1%. Then once I reach a certain point, then I start doing again 2%. But yeah, the trade is looking good, bro. I have to pass this account. I have to pass this account. I have to pass it, and I'm going to show you guys the payouts, all that stuff. And if I fail it, I'm going to document it as well. So yeah, hopefully this trade here goes really well. Then this is phase one, by the way. It's phase one, bro. So don't hype me up right now. This is phase one. Look at that. We're now at $240. uh, uh, but anyway, so let me put the phone down and explain exactly how I took the trade. So if we come to this trade here, bro, honestly, I was scared about this trade here. Look at the higher time frames. So if we go to like a 4 hour time frame, honestly, bro, this trade is looking scary in a 4 hour time frame because look, um, this level has been respected right here, right? Then right here we see some kind of consolidation in. We have a support level and we also have a resistance level right here. So I was thinking maybe like what if this market just pushes all the way up? Like what if even though there's no signs that show it's going to push up. There's zero signs right here that show it's going to push up. There's zero signs. But you know that fear in trading, though. You know that fear. But anyway, so the thing that made me confident about this trade is this consolidation right here. So if you go on a 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market has been respecting this level here multiple times. Respected it right here, respected right here, respected here, and it's also respected it. And so it was looking to respect it right here. And here's where I made my entry from. Then I set my stop loss above. So how did I find my entry? Hold on. And we are now by $50. We're now by $50. $50. This is looking nice. Anyway, so how did I find my entry? So there is always rules in trading. Like in the trade must match your rules and all. So I like to do this. So there are three rules. First of all, the market must be at a key level. Secondly, I start looking at market reaction, then I want a rejection. That's my confirmation. The first confirmation is a key level. The second one is I want the market to like I want to see reaction in the market. Reaction. Then a rejection. If I'm trading a reversal, I want a rejection. If I'm trading a breakout, then I want a breakout. If I'm trading a continuation, I want something like a breakout. But if I'm trading a reversal, I want a rejection, a strong rejection. So if you look right here, we had a strong rejection on the 1 hour time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame, but I don't think I took my trade on a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I mean it took it right here. So I compared both 15 minutes and also the 1 hour because I remember seeing that. Then boom, I took the trade. I was in. Then I went to sleep and woke up and I'm seeing it heading to TP, which is a great thing by the way. So a lot of you may ask me why am I not closing until the market reverses? So here's also another thing about me. Whenever I'm opening my trades, I like to set my take profit at levels that are most likely of getting hit. Then I set my stop loss at a level that's less likely of getting hit. So if you look at our stop loss is above the peak. This is the peak right here. Like the market has never gone beyond that. And that's exactly where I set my stop loss. At a level that's less likely of getting hit. Then my take profit I set it at a level that's most likely of getting hit. If you look at this level right here, the market has reached here. Like bro, every single swing has touched this exact level right here. This swing touched this level, but it failed to touch this one here. Then this swing right here, it touched this level. Then he touched this one here. Then this swing failed to touch this level, but it touched this. So what does that tell us? This level is the most consistent one. So that's why I want to set my TP. Because I don't set my TP here, then the market ends up reversing, goes all the way up, then hits my stop loss. Honestly, that would be shit. So yeah, I set my take profit right here, and honestly, it's a very good risk to reward. Like 2.43, that's already a nice one. But I feel like the market is gonna reach here because if you actually pay attention at this trade, so the first swing tends to like hit that level. The second one fails. Then the one that comes after the one that fails hits it. Then the one that comes after the one that hits it fails to hit it. So that means this one is going to hit it. Like if you connect the patterns, kind of makes sense, right? Goes all the way down. The second time, just collects momentum, then goes all the way down. The third time, collects momentum, then goes all the way down. That's exactly what the market is doing right here. So trade is honestly looking nice, bro. So let me start screen recording on my phone again, cause bro, we're now back to 130, bro. This stuff has just been like moving around that level, bro. I can't wait for I can't say see $200, bro. Like that's why I want it to go. So phase one is $400. No, phase one is $300, and phase two is also $300. This is Funding Pips, bro. 5K account. So hopefully I'm able to withdraw, bro, because the goal is staying alive in the market. That's the goal. The goal is staying alive in the market and being able to make a payout. That's all I want, bro. Just a payout. Just a payout. A payout is all I want. So you can see right here, JD Dine, Funding Pips, Corp 2. It shows their demo if it's a challenge account. So yeah, I'm not closing right now. Because bro, I would have passed a couple of funded accounts if I never had this habit of closing accounts before they hit TP. I would have passed multiple accounts. So this time I've decided I'm leaving it to touch TP, bro. I'm leaving it to touch TP. If I fail this trade here, it's okay, bro. I'll just take another one. Well, I know I'm definitely going to close at break even. So I just wanted to break structure at least. But this trade is going to touch TP, bro. This trade is going to touch TP. As you can see, after this 30-minute time frame closes, like this candlestick on the 30-minute time frame closes, it's going to shoot all the way down. Because if you look at this one here, like the candlestick looks the same, bro. That stuff gave us an inverted hammer, then just shoots all the way down. So I feel like that's what's doing right here. After that inverted hammer, it's going to shoot all the way down. So I'm just waiting for it to close. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. That's a retracement, bro. That's a retracement. So here we don't need to be scared. Maybe the place where you could be scared is around here, somewhere here like this, or here. But it's definitely going to touch this level here, because bro, all the swings have touched it. All the swings have touched it. So yeah, let me see if I move my take profit to down there. I feel like I could pass this account in one trade. Yeah, bro. If I move my TP down, bro, I'm passing this account. I'm passing this account. Oh shit, bro, I'm passing this account. If I move my TP down. But I don't want to get greedy, bro. I don't want to get greedy. Let me just leave it to reach here, then. Yeah. So yeah, this is day one of trading Funding Pips challenge account. So I'm going to post this. I also show the results. This is hard, bro. I have to get a better camera because this one is ass. Hope you guys aren't hearing like some ringing noise. I just got these headphones and for some reason they've been making like some ringing noise. Everyone just woke up. But anyways, guys, so I'm gonna go brush real quick because my mouth is smelly right now. So yeah. Before I show you guys the results, let me show you how the trade went. So as you can see, at least I saw this saying scared me. So the market reversed from here, went all the way up, then pushed down and hit our TP. And like I said in the video, bro, this trade is going to go lower definitely, bro. It's going to go lower and touch this level right here. But about this level here, I didn't know this would happen. But yeah, that's a breakout right there, and yeah. So now let me show you guys. Now let me show you guys my results. Now let me show you guys my results. So here's how the trade went. But this is another trade I want to take. I'm just waiting for riches. But anyway, so I closed at $100 profit. I closed at exactly 100. So the reason it's 92 is because the commission and also this trade right here. But yeah, this would have been a really nice. This was a very nice trade. But anyways, as long as I'm up, that's all that matters, bro. As long as I'm up, that's all that matters, bro. I'm up by 2%. That's all that matters. I'm left with like 4% to pass the account. So yeah, can I do it? Yes. So yeah, let's just keep on pushing and let's hope for the next trade. So yeah, day one trading a funded account. Keep tuning to watch more videos.